channel. If you are new here, so first watch the video. If you like it, then please subscribe my channel, and if you have already subscribed, thank you so much. So yeah, without any further delay, let's start the video. First of all, take transition shade. Take a brown kind of shade. You can use dark or light of your choice, and put it on your crease to make a very good transition. Now use your Kajal pencil or eye pencil and put it as an eyeliner. You don't have to be perfect. You just put it randomly on your lids. Take it up till your crease. Now with a blending brush, you have to just blend. Now take a black eyeshadow and put it on your lower lash line. And on the inner side, use the same brown transition shade. Put kajal and mascara and you are done. So yeah, that's it for this tutorial. I hope you really liked it. And one more thing, if you are doing smoky eyes, especially black, so please keep your face makeup and lipstick very light, very nude, as if you do very heavy eyes and heavy makeup, it will go overboard. I hope you really like this tutorial. If yes, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. And yes, thank you so much for watching till the end. Take care. Bye bye.